Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Retro Console Projector HCS350 review. So you might be wondering what this HCS350 console projector that you may be hearing online. Well, in this case, the HCS350 Pro is a 2-in-1 portable projector and retro game console. Now, per the specific listing that we have in here, it has a native 1080p, which is 1920 by 1080 resolution, so for 450 ANSI lumens brightness, and a 2000 to 1 contrast ratio, automatic keystone correction, and a 30 to 150 inch projectable image size. Now it runs on Android 12 on a quad-core ARM Cortex A53 chip with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. Now, plus dual band Wi-Fi 6. Now, also according to them, it also supports 4K at 30 FPS and at 1080p video file decoding. Other listings here for the same model line shows variants with different game counts. So in this case, and specs like Android 11, depending on where you're actually buying it. Now, usually the standard package here or contents typically include the projector unit, 2 wireless game controllers, a wireless controller receiver, a Bluetooth voice remote, and an HDMI cable, charging cable, preloaded with TF or micro SD card, commonly around like 64 GB, with the games and instructions and manual. Now, how to exactly use this? Well, typically you just need to power on the device using the button on the projector or the remote. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your operating language. You just need to go to your settings, networks and internet, go to Wi-Fi, and then connect to your wireless network. Now, it works like any kind of Android device, so if you're familiar with Android, it's going to be a lot easier. But yeah, so in this case, the paired include wireless gamepads as well through the Bluetooth settings menu. Then navigate to the game section on the home screen to browse and launch a title from the preloaded library. Now, according to them, supporting emulation for platforms like PS1, NES, SNES, and GBA. So, for movies or other content, use the built-in apps or connect an external device like laptop or TV box or another console here via the HDMI input port here. And wireless screen mirroring is also supported for casting from a phone, tablet, or laptop over Wi-Fi. Now, in this case, focus and projection setups as well. So audio can run through built-in speakers or be routed to the external Bluetooth speaker as well. That's according to the listing. Now, on the pricing side here, the listing doesn't show specific pricing, specifically a standard pricing for these type of products. So it differs from time to time, but it's commonly seen at the price range of around like $70 to $150, depending on the specific game count and the spec variant here. So you may want to check the website or where you're buying it just to see how much you are getting, and also make sure to compare the actual specs and what you're getting before actually buying. Now, if you have any questions about these specific products, you could go ahead and just visit the official their website or one of the websites that's being sold and reach out to their support if you have any questions. But that's about it. It's a fun video. Hopefully, like and subscribe button and watch our next video.